According to our users, the most important benefit of subscription services is continual access to new releases and service pack upgrades. As a subscription services member, you're automatically entitled to the latest annual releases of SolidWorks, as well as incremental service packs throughout the year. The SolidWorks R&D team is constantly improving your software, and over 90% of their work is driven by your priorities. Whether it's a community-requested enhancement, patching in new functionality and supported file formats, or a project to maximize performance and reliability, SolidWorks is always evolving. New versions bring powerful new functionality, and having the latest release means you'll always be able to work with any client or partner.